Hey guys, it's Brittany and I'm coming to you guys with a January favorites video. I'm going to be including makeup and hair stuff in this video, but I'm going to probably include some skincare stuff and one like appliance thing that I love this month. And a couple things are going to be from not January because I don't always make favorites videos, and if I sound like congested, I am a little sick as I'm filming this video, so yeah, just, you know, bear with me. As far as makeup goes, I'm gonna talk about my favorite foundation, and it's been my favorite foundation for, I'm gonna say anywhere from like 3 to 6 months, and it's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And I initially didn't know, like a lot of people on YouTube love this foundation. I just picked it up at the store because I probably saw like somebody in the video use it, and then I was at the store and it wasn't that expensive. It's like maybe $6 at the most. And I picked it up in the color Caramel, and ever since I have been loving this foundation. It blends beautifully. This is like my perfect shade. I don't have to mix it with other colors. Even though I did it one time, I mixed it with Toffee, and the Toffee was a little bit too red for my complexion right now, but in the summertime, Toffee is probably going to be a good color for me, which is a shade darker than Caramel. It's a great color match, blends beautifully, and it has really great coverage as well. So I've been loving this a lot, and I think I've gone through maybe 2 or 3 of the Caramel, and I plan on, this one's almost gone, so I need to go pick some more up. I hauled this in my Ulta haul at the beginning of January, and I've been using it ever since. I usually set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in 330 Toffee, but ever since I got the Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder in medium deep, that's what I've been using. And I used it on my face today as well as the foundation. It doesn't change the foundation's color that I put on before the finishing powder. It doesn't make me look ashy, and it doesn't darken my foundation, so I do like this. I also hauled the Master Chrome Metallic highlighter in color 100 Molten Gold. I bought it at Ulta earlier this month, and ever since I got it, I have been loving it. I think all of my Instagram pictures I posted this month, I've had this highlighter on, and it's really, really, really good. And I have textured skin, and it still, to me, looks good on my skin. Like, I have it on right now, and I think it just looks so nice. And a lot of people compliment me on my glow lately, and I attribute it to this highlighter here. Before I bought this highlighter, I was using this Lancome dual highlighter in 02 Luminous Gold, and this is awesome too, but it's Lancome, so it's more expensive. I'm going to swatch both of them beside each other on the back of my hand just to see, because I've never done that. So this is the Lancome, which is obviously very beautiful too, and I got this from Octoly back in like October, and I was using this a lot. So this is an awesome highlighter too, but I'm gonna swatch the Master Chrome and see how it is. So that's the Master Chrome right there. They look very similar, but I feel like the Lancome is more cool tone, and then this one, the Maybelline, is more like warm. But I mean, this one I'm pretty sure is a lot more expensive than the Molten Gold. Molten Gold I think was $9.99 at Ulta. And I'll put the price on the screen for the Lancome. The Lancome is very beautiful too, and I have been enjoying it, but ever since I got this one, like, this is my go-to now. So one of my favorite brushes I've been using for actually a very long time, probably 6 months or a little bit longer, is the Morphe G20 Brush. And that's how it looks. It's like a small flat brush. I use it for pretty much everything. I use it to carve out my brows. I use it to do my cut creases, and I use it to clean up like when my lipstick needs to be like super clean. I use that around the bottom to make it look a lot more neat. So if you're looking for like a brush that just does a lot, I would check into the Morphe G20 brush. I think it's very good. One of my favorite primers this month has been the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. And I have used this primer before, like in the past, but I was using my Becca Evermatte primer for a while, but then I picked this up earlier this month. And then I was like, this primer is really good. I have noticed I wear this to work just because it's cheaper than Becca, and I feel like I would prefer to run out of something cheaper faster than something more high-end. And so I've been wearing this to work, and it's been holding up pretty well. And this is about $16, which to me is a little bit high for a drugstore primer, but I still feel like it's holding up really well, and I do have oily skin. My favorite lip combination this month has been the combination I have on my lips right now, which is like a kind of neutral, kind of brown look. And what I use for this look is two colors mixed together, which is Truffle Raine by Colored Raine, and Satin Creme, also by Colored Raine. So what I do is I put the Truffle Raine down first, and then while it's still wet, I go on top of it with Satin Creme, and it just creates this really nice color. Yeah, that's what it looks like on my lips. And I did a haul of Colored Raine lipsticks about, yeah, I did it in December, and I've just been loving these. I used to be really into like colored lipsticks, and I did buy some in that haul, but just on a day-to-day basis I don't wear like colored lipstick that much. But I'm loving this combination, and you can obviously on their own, I like these as well. The color Satin Creme, this is my everyday like work lip color. This is what Satin Creme looks like by itself. Very pretty color, and I do wear that every day to work. And then Truffle Raine is just like a dark brown, and that's Truffle Raine right there. I used to wear just straight up brown a couple years ago with ColourPop's Limbo specifically, but I don't know why. When I wear Truffle Raine just by itself, it's a little bit too dark for me, so that's why I put Satin Creme on top to kind of mellow it out and soften the whole look. Okay, so I'm going to talk about two eczema lotions that I've been enjoying. So I used the Jergens Eczema Lotion probably like October, and I like used the whole thing. So if you guys don't know, I've had eczema since I was little, and I usually use the Cortizone 10 Eczema Lotion. Now, if you get this from the drugstore, it's about $12, and it only comes with 3.5 ounces of product in here. And if you're trying to use it over your whole body, you're gonna run out of this stuff quickly, and that's what happens with me. I run out of this really, really fast. So I was looking for options that had more product in it. So I used the Jergens Eczema Lotion that I got from Octoly, and I really liked that one. And it was like a mild feel, but you could tell that it would stop my itching, and I did enjoy that. But for this month, I've been using the Eucerin Eczema Relief Lotion. It's colloidal oatmeal enriched, and it relieves and fortifies dry, itchy, eczema-prone skin. And this stuff is really good, and you get 8 ounces of product in this. So I think the price is about $12.99, but you get, it's only like $1 more than the Cortizone 10, but you get almost 5 ounces more product than the Cortizone 10. And I really do like this, and I like that it's a lotion where you can put it everywhere instead of worrying about running out of product so quickly. So I really, if you do have eczema, I would definitely recommend this one, the Cortizone 10 one, because I've been using that for literally like 5 years, probably longer than that. But the Eucerin Eczema Relief Lotion is really good, as well as the Jergens Eczema Lotion as well. And I'll try to put like links to that in the description box just in case you're interested in any of these products. Okay, so one appliance that I wanted to mention And it's the only appliance I'm going to mention in this video, is the Oster smoothie maker. Like you make on-the-go smoothies. I believe my sister-in-law Trina got us this for our wedding as a wedding gift. And ever since, me and Adrian make smoothies like all the time. Like today I didn't make one, but like pretty much every day we make smoothies. They're so good. Like we don't even need to go to Smoothie King because our smoothies are so good. I usually use strawberries and like fat-free vanilla yogurt to thicken it up, and bananas and stuff like that. Adrian likes mangoes and stuff in his. I try to Google the price, but I'm sure it's not that expensive. But smoothies are very helpful. They've been helpful for me because I'm prone to getting constipated a lot, and when I drink smoothies it makes me more regular. So I definitely have been enjoying that in January, or just like ever since we got it. I think we started using it in December, but in January we've been using it a whole lot. So if you don't have one of those and you like smoothies, definitely like invest in one. With it comes two like on-the-go bottles. So I have a pink one and Adrian has the blue one, and you just put the cap on and you can use it when you're running, or just take it with you in your car. And I usually drink one in the morning as my breakfast. And lastly, I'm going to tell you guys about my favorite wigs of January. So the first one is going to be LH Natural. I wore that, I don't know where, I wore it in my Juvia's Place makeup tutorial, and I wore it a couple other times this month, and it's just a beautiful wig. It has a very nice natural Creme style to it. It has a middle part, and I'll link that video in the description box for you guys and on the info card. I think that wig is awesome, and it doesn't tangle as much as a wig that's similar to it, which is Blaze Meadow. Now I would actually include Blaze Meadow on this list because Blaze Meadow gives a beautiful effortless kind of look too, but the only thing is it tangles very, very badly. But LH Natural is not that bad. And the last thing I wanted to include is the wig that I have on, which is the 360 Natural Straight wig from Wow Ebony, and I just did a review on this last week. And in that video I was a little bit critical of the density at the top because it was pretty humpy, but I flat ironed it out since, and paddle brushed it, and I re-braided my hair underneath, and every time I wear this I just feel like it just looks so natural, and I'm seriously in love with this wig. I think it's probably my favorite like human hair natural wig that I've tried thus far. It was easy to apply. I was getting frustrated with like the hump action at the top when I was filming it, but after I got past that, I've been really enjoying this wig. Those two are my favorite wigs this month so far. I was super hype about Top Meadow, but I haven't worn it enough to tell you guys that I love it like as much as LH Natural in this one. But these two I really do like. Yeah, so I just wanted to include one thing that I did not like, and I've had this for a while. It was sent to me from Octoly. This is from the brand Black Up, and this is their eyeliner liquid matte. This is their matte waterproof liquid liner, and I got it in the color yellow because you guys know I like bright looks with my makeup. And I was trying to create a look with this eyeliner one time and it went horribly. It just does not, it's way too streaky and sheer, and I had to put this on like 5 times to get the color payoff and opacity that I wanted. So I don't think this is good at all to me. I haven't tried the NYX like color eyeliners, but I feel like they might be better. So this was a no. This is the only thing I'm gonna include in this video that I didn't like. Let me know if you like anything in this video as much as I do, or if you plan on trying anything that I mentioned in this video. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Tell me the kinds of videos you would like to see in the future. I have recorded episode 1 of my Synthetic 101 series. It's coming soon. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed and turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.